Hi, I'm Tuheen. Join me in making one of my favorite desserts, crème brûlée. Okay, I have 2 cups of heavy cream boiling on medium heat to a medium simmer, and then I'm going to crack 6 egg yolks in this bowl with a half cup of sugar. I now have 6 egg yolks in this bowl, and I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. Baking has always been one of my favorite activities. My grandma and I always had a special bond over cooking for our family, and she loved my crème brûlée. Once the heavy cream has reached a gentle boil, fold it into the egg sugar mixture. During COVID, my grandma couldn't visit me, so I would bake on Zoom while she would watch. Once it's fully mixed, add in a half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now that the batter is ready, pour it into the ramekins. Place it in a hot water bath and then put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 35 minutes. Once 35 minutes have passed, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving it. Okay, it smells like eggs, but now that I can smell, which I couldn't before this summer, it has really enriched my cooking experience. Once it's been chilled, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the top. Then, use a blowtorcher to create the crème brûlée lid. This summer, my grandmother passed away. Whenever I miss her, I bake. It reminds me of all the meal times we shared. Bon appetit!